Dog pound gangster, real, grip.
You don't wanna see us really kick up dust. Straight the X-Man and Kingpin corrupt. Stay giving it up, stay breaking the chuck. Straight slipping the butts and not giving a fuck. UPG up, first niggas to dump. Soldier slash casting over for the bitches I bust. Don't talk about how I touched the guts. Never ate it, just ate it once I busted nuts. Cold killing on children for hostage profits. Mob shit, witness how hot the block spit. Block bitch niggas trying to give us hassles. On their ass like the return of the jackals. Apple those West Coast and ropes. Open quotes, homies known to go for broke. First line, full time, do or die the code. Motherfuckers take cover when my nine explodes.
He away G, smashing on these little bitch niggas daily. Talking about what it can or can't be with his young homies corrupt from X to the Z. First shot in the house, I know you know. First one pumping out the fuck up, don't give a fuck. Time of West Coast ride. Living life, nothing nice on the dice sound. Living life, the goalie score away 380 a Trey's rifle. His career, from Mac 11 to the cabinet. They're having their hours rush, and the cannons bust. Don't fuck with Trey D, X corrupt. Turn the page to Exodus and read the first line in parentheses about war with us.
Minus 3, 2, 1, YUJIN! Never gonna take my spot.